How to sell on Facebook. Hello, digital friends. Did you know that through the Facebook app you can post a sales ad for free? You can sell vehicles, apartments, many other products, and even post ads for apartment rentals. Watch the video to the end, and I think you'll like this Facebook feature. Let's get started. Open Facebook. In the search bar, type Marketplace. Click on Marketplace, Buy and Sell Nearby. In one of the previous videos, I showed you how to buy and search for ads. Today, we will post a sales ad. Click on the Sell button. A menu appears, showing us the available options for creating a listing. The first option is Items. Here you can create an ad for selling various items. The second option is for selling different types of vehicles. The last option is for posting ads for selling or renting a house or apartment. I will show you how to post an ad for a car. Click on Vehicles. Of course, the ad must contain a picture. Click on Add Photos to add images. I will choose a picture of a car. When you select one or more pictures, click on Next. Now we will add a title. I will write, Renault Clio. Typically, the title is the name of the car model. Now, add the price. Select a category. Now, choose a location. You can allow or not allow access to your location. It's up to you to decide. Select your region. Click on the Apply button. Now, add a description. Car is in great condition. Manufactured in 2011. 140,000 kilometers driven. Gasoline, 1.2 liters. You can also offer delivery by toggling this button here. Once you are done, click on Next. This ad will automatically be posted on Marketplace. You can also join a group if you want. Finally, click on Publish. That's it. You can check the ad by clicking on your listings. If this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and support our work.